आज हम आपको एक नया वीडियो मतलब दैट इज जेनेटिक डिसऑर्डर के बारे में बताएंगे। उससे पहले हम आपको बताएंगे कि आप हमारे चैनल से जुड़े रहने के लिए आपको करना पड़ेगा हिट देन शेयर लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब। तो जेनेटिक डिसऑर्डर इस टॉपिक को आप एकदम पेशेंसली सुनो और जो जेनेटिक डिसऑर्डर है इस टॉपिक का मल्टीपल चॉइस भी क्वेश्चंस एग्जाम में आने वाले एग्जाम में हमेशा हो सकते हैं। आप जो भी एग्जाम दे रहे हो, जो भी पढ़ाई कर रहे हो, उसे इत्मीनान से पढ़ाइए और उस पढ़ाई की तरफ ध्यान दीजिए। तो चलो विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम our mission begin again. Now we are going to learn about genetic disorder. तो genetic disorder क्या है? Before going to learn about the genetic disorder, we should know that what is genes. Genes, it is a fundamental physical and functional unit of heredity. A Danish botanist W. Johnson coined the word that is gene. Gene, G-E-N, gene means it is a Danish or German word. In 1909, Johnson coined this word that is known as a gene. Gene is what? Genes means it is the fundamental physical and functional unit of heredity that is known as the genes. And later on, the term genetics, study of genes, which is given by William Bateson in 1905, which is the term which is derived from the word that is gene. So this is the scientist that is William Johnson. Okay. Next, there are three types of genetic disorder. आपको व्हाट इज जीन्स, जीन्स किसने किया, जीन्स की टर्म किसने दिया? जॉनसन ने जीन्स की टर्म दिया इन 1909 को, और इन 1905 को बेटसन ने जो नया टर्म दिया दैट इज जेनेटिक्स फ्रॉम द वर्ड जीन्स. जीन्स इज नथिंग बट द फंडामेंटल फिजिकल एंड फंक्शनल यूनिट ऑफ हेरिडिटी. Then now we are discussing about the three types of genetic disorder. First disorder is single gene disorder. Second disorder is chromosomal disorder, and third disorder is complex disorder. Single gene disorder, where the mutation affects one gene. Such type of disorder is known as a single gene disorder. The single gene disorders का example है sickle cell anemia is an example of single gene disorder. In single gene disorder, in sickle cell anemia, where the mutation affects one genes, that means the hemoglobin structures. That means it is a hemoglobin structure. There is a effect of one genes. That means the mutation which occurs in the hemoglobin structure, and that's why the sickle cell anemia will take place. And this is the example of single gene disorder. Second disorder, that is chromosomal disorder. Chromosomal disorder means what? Where the chromosomes are missing or changed. Not complete chromosomes are missing or changed, but a part of the chromosomes are missing or changed. Such type of disorder is known as a chromosomal disorder. Then third, that is a complex disorder, where there are mutations or two or more. Such type of disorder is known as a complex disorder. Then polygenic diseases are more common than the single gene disorder. We should know that there are over 6,000 genetic disorders which is found in particular man, many of which are fatal and severely debilitating. Many human diseases have a genetic component to them. A genetic disease which is caused by the mutation in DNA, and again it can be divided into four major groups. First one is single gene mutation, second one is multiple gene mutation, and third one is chromosomal changes, and fourth one is mitochondrial mutation. You know that there are 6,000 genetic disorders, and these 6 genetic disorders are the genetic disease which is caused by only the mutation in DNA. And as the genetic disorders can be divided into four major groups. First major group is single gene mutation. Second major group is multiple gene mutation. Third one is chromosomal changes. And fourth one is mitochondrial mutation. In a single gene mutation or disorders, 7 single gene inheritance disorders. There are 7 gene inheritance disorders. First one is cystic fibrosis. Second one is alpha and beta thalassemia. Third one is sickle cell anemia or sickle cell diseases. Fourth one is Marfan syndromes. Fifth one is Fragile X syndromes. Sixth one is Huntington's disease. And seventh one is hemochromatosis. There are 7 single gene inheritance disorders. First one is cystic fibrosis. Second one is alpha and beta thalassemia. Third one is sickle cell anemia or sickle cell diseases. And fourth one is Marfan syndromes. Fifth one is Fragile X syndromes. Sixth one is Huntington's disease. And seventh one is hemochromatosis. There are the 7 gene inheritance, single gene inheritance disorders. What is genetic disorder? What is it? It is a disease that caused by abnormality in an individual's DNA. The abnormality can range from small mutation in DNA or addition or subtraction of an entire chromosome or a set of chromosomes. Such type of abnormalities is known as genetic disorder. Most genetic disorders are quite rare and affect one person in every several thousands or million. The genetic disorders may result from point mutation or any insertion, deletion, entire inside one gene, and deletion of a gene or genes, whole chromosomes, extra, missing, or both. Such type of disorders which occurs due to these, that is the point mutation, deletion, and whole chromosomal or whole chromosomes mixing, it occurs due to the genetic disorders. Okay. Look at the pictures. This is the normal male pictures. In the normal male pictures, we know that there are 46 chromosomes found into the normal male and normal female. Why this picture belonging to male? Because at the last last of the 22 pairs, there is the presence of X and Y. Here X and Y, that's why these pictures which belonging to the normal male karyotype. Normal male karyotype, there are 22 pairs of autosomes and 1 pair of sex chromosomes. The 22 pairs which divided into 7 groups alphabetically, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A group contains 4 pairs. A group contains 2 pairs. B group contains 3 pairs. C group contains 7 pairs of autosomes. Then again, 2, 3, 7, 2, 2, 3, 3. Okay. First group, that is, it contains 2 pairs. Second group contains 3 pairs. C group contains 7 pairs. D group contains 2 pairs. Then 2 pairs again, 3 pairs and 3 pairs. Okay. There are 22 pairs of autosomes which found into these pictures. And at last, there is a presence of X and Y chromosomes. Hence, these pictures belonging to normal male human karyotypes. If there is a presence of double X is here, then these pictures which belonging to normal female karyotype. Okay. We are going to learn about the abnormalities, that means the genetic diseases which is caused due to the abnormalities into the DNA. That's why that is known as a genetic disorders, genetic diseases. Okay. 5 most common genetic disorders, that is, first one is Down syndromes, second one is thalassemia, third one is cystic fibrosis, fourth one is Tay-Sachs diseases, and fifth one is sickle cell anemia. These are the common genetic disorders which is found into the human being, that is a Down syndrome, thalassemia, cystic fibrosis, Tay-Sachs diseases, and sickle cell anemia. Down syndromes, typically the nucleus of an individual's cells contain 22 pairs of chromosomes. But in the Down syndromes occurs only when 21st chromosomes is copied an extra time in all and some cells. Then there is a thalassemia, then cystic fibrosis, Tay-Sachs diseases, and sickle cell anemia. There are the 5 most common genetic disorders. Then examples of genetic conditions that are more common in particular ethnic groups are, first one is sickle cell diseases, which is more common in people in Africa, America, and Mediterranean heritage, and Tay-Sachs disease, which is more likely to occur among the people of Ashkenazi, Eastern and Central European, Jewish, and French. Then types of inherited diseases or disorder, there are 3 types: autosomal disorders, allosomal disorders, and mitochondrial disorders. Autosomal disorders, which includes autosomal dominant and autosomal recessive. Allosomal disorders, which includes X-linked dominant, X-linked recessive, and Y-linked diseases. Then mitochondrial disorder, there are 3 types. Okay. First one is autosomal disorders, and autosomal or somatic chromosomes which carry genes which determine the somatic characteristics and do not have influence on determining the sex of the individual. Autosomes appears in a pair. Humans have a diploid genome that usually contains 22 pairs of autosomes. That means 46 chromosomes total. Disorder related to autosomes are autosomal disorders. First, the examples of the autosomal disorder is Down syndrome, hemophilia, and sickle cell anemia. These are the autosomal disorders. Then autosomal dominant disorders. These, if the disorder is autosomal dominant, only one infected genes from any one parent is enough to cause the disease in the child. Autosomal recessive means what? If the disorder is autosomal recessive, there should be a transfer of both affected genes from both the parents to cause the disease. If the genes from only one parent is transferred, then a child becomes a carrier but does not get the disease. Then Mendel which proposed the monogenetic diseases in human genomes, which contains an estimated totals of 20,000 to 25,000 genes that serves as a blueprints for buildings all of our proteins. International Human Genomes Sequencing Consortium 2004 as per इनके हिसाब से 20,000 to 25 genes that serves as a blueprints for building all of our proteins. That means the human genomes contain estimated total about 20,000 to 25 genes. Okay. In single gene diseases, mutation in just one of these genes is responsible for disease. Single gene diseases run in families and can be dominant or recessive and autosomal or sex-linked. Pedigree analysis of large family with many affected members are very useful for determining the inheritance patterns of single gene diseases. Look at the table here. The type of inheritance, that is autosomal recessive inheritance, is an example of human diseases, mode of inheritance and associated genes. This is PKU. PKU means what? Phenylketonuria. And which gene is responsible? That is a PAH. PAH means phenylalanine hydroxylase. These genes is responsible for the PKU. For cystic fibrosis, which gene is responsible? That is CFTR. This is the CFTR genes. CFTR genes means what? Cystic fibrosis conduction transmembrane regulator. That means the CFTR. This gene is responsible for the cystic fibrosis. HBB, beta hemoglobin, the genes which is responsible for the sickle cell anemia. OCA2, that is oculocutaneous albinism. Second, this gene is responsible for albinism, oculocutaneous type 2. Then autosomal dominant. These are the autosomal dominant diseases. That is Huntington's disease, myotonic dystrophy type 1, hypercholesterolemia, autosomal dominant type B, neurofibromatosis type 1, polycystic kidney disease 1 and 2. These are the autosomal dominant. First one is Huntington's disease, which is caused due to the genes is responsible, that is HTT, that is Huntington's. Then myotonic dystrophy type 1, which is these genes is responsible, that is DMPK genes is responsible for this. Then LDLR, this is the low density lipoproteins receptors genes. These genes is responsible for the hypocholesterolemia. Then autosomal dominant. Then NF1 is responsible for for the neurofibromatosis type 1. Then PKD1, PKD2, these are the genes are responsible for the polycystic kidney diseases 1 and 2 respectively. Then third one is type, that is the X-linked recessive and X-linked dominant and Y-linked dominant. Y-linked diseases. Okay. Hemophilia E, hemophilia A, the genes responsible, that is factor F8, coagulation factor 8 is responsible for that. Then DMD, that is the dystrophin. This genes is responsible for the muscular dystrophy. Then phosphate regulating endopeptidase homolog X linked, that is PHEX, is responsible for the hypophosphatemic rickets. Then this is a X-linked dominant. Then X-linked dominant diseases, that is a Rett's syndromes, which is caused due to, or the genes is responsible for that, that is MECP2. Then USP9 capital Y, this genes is responsible for the Y-linked diseases. The Y-linked diseases is spermatogenic failure or non-obstructive Y-linked genes, Y-linked diseases. Okay. Now, many disorders result from gene changes that are present in essentially every cell in the body. As a result, these disorders often affect many body systems and most cannot be cured. However, approaches may be available to treat and manage some of the associated signs and symptoms. The worst hereditary conditions are, that is breast cancer, color blindness, heart diseases and acne. Then autosomal disorders. Autosomal disorders. Autosomal disorders are the sex chromosomes which carry genes responsible for the sexual characteristics and as such have a significant role in the determination of sex. Inherited disorders which are related to sex chromosomes are called as autosomal disorders. Examples of autosomal disorders are Klinefelter syndromes and Turner syndromes. These are the syndromes, is the examples of autosomal disorders. Then there are three types of autosomal disorders. First one is X-linked dominant disorder. Second one is X-linked recessive disorder. And third one is Y-linked disorder. Then chronic villus sampling, that is CVS, and amniocentesis are both diagnostic tests that can confirm whether or not a baby has chromosomes abnormalities. They involve sampling of placenta, that is CVS, or amniotic fluids, that is during the amniocentesis, and carry a risk of pregnancy loss of between 0.5 to 1%. Okay. Genetic diseases such as cystic fibrosis and Huntington's disease are caused by small differences in the DNA that we get from each of our parents. These differences affect how we use a particular genes and that leads to disease. So we can't really get rid of a genes to cure a diseases. Discovering the ancient origin of cystic fibrosis, the most common diseases which is found into the Caucasians. There is a difference between the autosomal disorders and allosomal disorders. Here first difference is autosomal disorders which arises by the gene mutation in autosomal chromosome, and allosomal disorders which arises by the gene mutation is sex chromosome, mainly X chromosome. Autosomal disorders affect both sexes, male and female. Autosomal disorders which affects more males than female. Autosomal disorders affect both sexes, male and female. Autosomal disorders affect more male than female. Okay. Mutated genes can be dominant or recessive, which is in the autosomal disorders. The mutated genes is recessive, which is in the allosomal disorders. And the examples of the autosomal disorders is Down syndrome and sickle cell anemia and Klinefelter syndromes. It is the examples of allosomal disorders. Then mitochondrial disorder, that is the third genetic disorder, that is the mitochondrial disorder. It is a disorder which is caused by the mutation or changes in either mitochondrial DNA or nuclear DNA. If there is a mutation in genes that code for mitochondrial proteins, decreased ATP production leads to energy failure of the cell and eventually to the organ. There are only pass from mothers since mitochondria if it is absent in spermatozoa. The frequency of the mitochondrial disorder is 1 in 4,000 population. The 5 most ultra rare diseases. Most ultra rare diseases is, first one is RPA deficiency, field conditions, Kuru, then methemoglobinemia, then last one is Hutchinson's Guilford progeria. More often it is referred to as a progeria. This disease affects about 1 in every 8 million children and due to genetic mutation, which is cause appearance of the rapid aging, then beginning in the early childhood. All cancers are genetics, meaning they have a genetic basis. Genes are in the DNA of every cell in the body and they control how cells grow, divide and die. Some of these mutations are hereditary, meaning they are passed down from your mothers and your fathers and develop into the homes. Such diseases are called hereditary diseases. But cancers are the genetic diseases because they have a genetic basis. For such diseases, which includes heart diseases, stroke, cancer, diabetes, and disorders such as autism, ADHD, and dementia, as well as mental illness such as schizophrenia, depression, significant genetic causations can now be ruled out with a high degree of confidence. New research provided the first direct evidence that ADHD, that is attention deficits hyperactivity disorder, that is ADHD, is a genetic condition. Scientists at Cardiff University found that children with ADHD were more likely to have a small segment of linear DNA duplicated or missing than other children. Available evidence suggests that ADHD is genetic, passed down from parents to the child. ADHD seems to run in at least some families. At least 1/3 of all fathers who had ADHD in their youth have children with this condition. What is more, the majority of the identical twins share the ADHD traits. The genes of dopaminergic and serotonergic Look at the genes, that is dopaminergic and serotonergic system includes DRD4, SLC6A3, DAT1 and DBH were widely studied and implicated to be associated with the susceptibility of ADHD. So